Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Learn with Art. Now with this video I have brought to you the series of number of videos based on data structures. So for more videos stay tuned with Learn with Art. Now here we will see what is meant by data structures. For that purpose I have taken number of elements. Okay, so consider that I have number of elements. I want to organize these elements in a particular way. Okay, so there are number of ways to organize these elements. So suppose first way I can organize these elements one by one after another. Second way can be we can organize these elements at different position, but these elements are linked with each other. Also we can arrange these elements one after another like a queue, or we can arrange these elements on one above another like a stack of dishes. So here I have mentioned the number of ways in which we can organize these elements. Okay, so there are lots of ways that we can organize the given elements, and we have the retrieval process for the given way of organization. Okay, so data structure is nothing but the way of organizing and storing data so that it can be accessed and used efficiently. Okay, so we can take an example. Suppose we have clothes and a cupboard, and I want to organize these clothes in a cupboard so that I can get cloth in very less time. Okay, organization of such clothes can represent or correlate with the concept of data structures. Okay, so these data structures refers to the logical or mathematical representation of a data. We have number of type of data structures like arrays, then linked list, then stacks, then queues, graphs, trees, etc. We will see it one by one. Before going to have each and every type of data structure, we will see the broad categories of data structures. Now, if you are comfortable with the concept of data structures, we will move to the next point, that is classification of data structures. So we will see what is meant by linear data structures and non-linear data structures. So linear data structures in which the data elements are arranged sequentially, or the name itself suggests that the number of elements are arranged in linear manner, where each element is attached to its previous and the next element. Okay, so these elements, in case of linear data structure, the elements are arranged in a sequential or linear way. But in case of non-linear data structures, the elements are not organized in a sequential or linear way. Okay, so we will see what is mean by linear way. So arrays. Okay, so arrays means here we can see this can be called as a linear way. Okay, or in non-linear way like graph. So in graph we have nodes attached with edges, so they can be attached with each other. Okay, so this can be a non-linear way of organizing elements, that is called as non-linear data structures. Okay, so we will see how the data structure is classified. So data structure is classified into broad categories, that is linear data structure and non-linear data structure. And linear data structures are again classified in static data structures and dynamic data structures. Okay, so in according to the way of memory allocation, the linear data structures are again classified as static data structures, and in static data structures arrays are there. And in case of dynamic data structures, queue, stack, linked list. Okay, so this can come under the category of dynamic data structures. Okay, so in case of dynamic data structures, we can have the number of elements, and we can store the elements, or we can allocate the memory for elements in dynamic way. Okay, that's why the category is named as dynamic data structure. And in non-linear data structure we have the two types, that is tree or graph. Okay, so this was all about the concept of data structures. If you have any queries, then please comment on it. And if you like my videos, then never forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.